Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com, and I've got a video here of a really clean little Suzuki Carry. This is a 2012, but it's really excellent condition. You can see under here the bolts on the chassis are still shiny, which is very good for a four-wheel drive truck. It's clean around the drop sides. These three sides drop off, as you know, and they're all in good condition. They've not been banged around or anything. It's got a cover in the back there to protect the bed. You pull that back, you can see it's really good condition. Bodywork on the cab's excellent as well, and the inside's really clean. Seats in good condition, you can see there. These floor mats also. I'll just jump in and start it up. It's done 21,000 kilometers. That's about 12 or 13,000 miles, not very much at all. You can see the steering wheel still in good condition. It's got Diff Lock. You press this button, that locks the rear diff, and it's also got 2 or 4-wheel drive and higher-low ranging 4-wheel drive. It's a 5-speed manual, so this should be pretty good off-road. If you put some good mud tyres on, you should be able to get many places. You can see there it's got air conditioning, heater as well, and a completely enclosed cab, so you can keep warm and dry. This vehicle and all these trucks will be sold in America as off-road vehicles only. That means they're equivalent to a ATV. So this vehicle, if you compare it to an ATV, it's got drop sides on the back, are quite large carrying load. It's 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive, and it's got a heater, cooler, wind-up windows, a fully enclosed cab, so it stacks up pretty well against an ATV. And this one is going to be shipped out very soon. It's going to be arriving in America shortly. It's available for purchase. If you want to buy this car, something like this, or you want to be a distributor for us and make some money yourself by selling these vehicles in the States, have a look on our website. It's SamuraiMini.com. You'll find a lot more information on there. Thank you very much for watching.